What up, crypto boss in the house? I'm a boss, you're a boss, we're all crypto bosses. That is my agenda for this channel, guys, to make all your crypto bosses and make you guys financial free. Guys, we got some amazing news today. So bullish. So bullish. And at the end, I've got you a nice little bonus and a couple little other bonuses in between. So you can watch the full video, guys, to get full value out of this video. I'm not going to keep it too long, 6 to 8 minutes. Guys, check the markets out. First of all, look at the crypto bubbles. We're mooning, boys. We're mooning. Okay, understand what's going on now, though, guys, yeah? We are having a little bit of a dead cat bounce, a little bit of a pump. We was way oversold, guys. This is a short-term bounce. Personally, I reckon a lot of this is through the Ethereum 2.0 as well. Date being released, being announced for September. So honestly, guys, I think we're gonna have some nice gains over this next 2 months. So very bullish for the next 2 months, guys. And also, I know I was calling for 10K Bitcoin, and I think that's still gonna happen, but I got this cheeky little feeling. It's just my instincts. Remember, guys, never take any financial advice from anybody on YouTube, on social media. It's just opinions, right? This is my opinion. I just got this little feeling that, well, for one, inflation has gone down. Petrol prices has gone down in the UK. That's what I've been told anyway. So that's one. Two, I just got a little feeling that the Fed's going to pivot slightly and go from quantitative tightening to a bit of quantitative easing. So that's going to give another bullish momentum. And also the stimulus checks have been announced. They will be giving out some stimulus checks. So personally, I am pretty much bullish over the next few weeks. So this is the time to be doing research, to be watching all my videos, because I will be telling you any good narratives and what projects I am looking at and I will buy. All right, guys, so let's quickly move on to some great news today. So Dubai's metaverse strategy plans to add 4 billion to economy by 2027. Guys, this is deep. Guys, I live in Dubai. Dubai ain't playing. They're not playing, guys. So if any of you guys into crypto, Dubai is the place to be. Don't pay no tax. So much connections. There's so many events for people in Dubai. It is a great place to be. So if any of you guys into crypto, nice and safe, you can go around with watches, nice cars. I don't know where you guys from, but I'm from England. If I can fight, but if I wear this watch in England, you know, I will be looking over my shoulder. Okay, cool. Moving on slightly. Very bullish news, guys. French banking giant BNP, that name needs to go though, enters crypto custody space. Guys, this is bullish. A French bank is entering the crypto space to holding crypto as custody. The French bank will be working with crypto custody specialists Metaco and Fireblocks. Very bullish, guys. So this is what I'm saying. Even in these bear market times, big institutions are getting into crypto, guys. This is why I actually heard someone in my comments wrote down today, crypto is over. It's collapsed. What are you on about? Crypto is over. Bitcoin and crypto has collapsed. NFTs has collapsed. Like, please come in the real world. How is Bitcoin or crypto collapsed when you got big institutions buying into cryptocurrency, making custodials for cryptocurrency, making platforms for cryptocurrency, NFT platforms from Coinbase and big companies getting involved, Reddit doing NFTs, Facebook's creating their own metaverse. Guys, to think cryptocurrency is over, it's just, you're crazy. You're crazy. You're not living in the real world. But they say when people start saying crypto's dead is when we come to the bottom of the bear market. personally, I think we've got another bullish momentum up. Everyone's going to get a bit euphoric, and then we're going to come down for another correction. My personal opinion. But yeah, guys, next few months, I think it's going to be very, very promising. Next couple of months. So stay in the market. Okay, guys, little bit of bullish news for Shiba. So particular things gone. But yeah, Shiba have released their date for their gaming for September. Guys, I'm not one to be shilling or talk about meme coins, but we can't not address the elephant in the room. And meme coins, they do have their time and they do have a lot of gains. So, and I made millions of meme coins. So I can never forget meme coins, not just because it's a personal, emotional thing, not at all. I made my money and I moved up from meme coins. I actually don't like talking about meme coins, but the facts are, my opinion is, should I say, is that the seasons are cycles, and when crypto goes on another rally, these meme coins have that kind of already network effect, and it's got that tribal, that community. So you definitely don't forget about the meme coins, guys. So yeah, big news for Shiba. All right, guys, here you go. Nice little Brucey bonus for you guys. You know, I was looking after my community. Found you a nice free mint NFT launching tomorrow. So go on their socials, Mooncats NFT. Jump into their Discord and try and get on this whitelist, guys. They'll be launching tomorrow, and it's absolutely free. Okay, well, it's free for VIP, which is probably a bit too late there, but whitelist, try and get on the whitelist, guys, which is pretty much pennies. Free mint NFTs are the new trends right now, and if you're getting this free NFTs, there will be some good gains. Not financial advice, but it's a hyped NFT, and there's a lot of notable people following them. If you can see, he has some big people in the space: Culture Plug, NFT Pasta, Ryan Crypto, K Money. These are some big hitters in the space, guys. So going to be a good one. If you don't buy public sale on these ones, guys. Don't buy the floor. Don't buy on OpenSea. These are the ones if you get into mint and you make your money in and out, guys. All right, guys, if you like this content, check this video out for more. Subscribe, because I'm about to make so many people a lot of money, and I've got some nice secret strategies coming up very soon, and some projects I'm going to get my community in nice and early. All right, guys, to the next one. Peace out.